It is a matter of great happiness that India won the T20 World Cup yesterday. On this happy occasion, I'm going to teach you how to make a World Cup illustrations in 1 minute. Go to bing.com. Write AI image generator. Click on the bing.com. Write the prompt here that I've given you in my description box. Then click on create. Wait a second, it will generate the best images for you. Just click on any image that you want to download. Simply click on download button. Your image will be downloaded. Hope you like it. Do like, share and subscribe.